everyone, this is Learning Target 6. I can combine like terms. So remember, when you're combining like terms, the idea is that you just want to combine everything as much as possible. Remember, I said like if I'm ordering hot dogs and sodas, I'm not going to say, hey, can I get a hot dog and a hot dog and a hot dog? I'm just going to say, can I get 3 hot dogs? So you're trying to combine everything as much as possible. I don't have the tiles with me, but I'm just going to draw them on the board in the correct color. So remember, x squared is the big blue square. 2x just means I have 2 of the skinny x tiles. Same thing with the x. And remember, when it's just a 2, that means 2 of the units, the tiny squares. And then if I have -1, that means I'm getting out a red square. So now my goal is to get rid of any tiles I can and then combine everything. So here, if I have 1 and -1, that's just going to equal 0. So if I had the tiles, I would just take them away, or I can erase them. So now I'm just going to count what I have left. So I have an x squared. I have 1, 2, 3 x tiles, so I do plus 3x. And I have 1 unit, so I put plus 1. And that's fully simplified or combined because all the x squareds are together, all the x's together, and all the 1's are together. And I can't do anything after that. I can't combine these because they're not like terms. Alright, same idea with number 2. I have 3 x's, so that's the skinny ones. I have plus 2, which are the 2 units. Here I have -x. Remember, you gotta pay attention to that negative in front. So that means I have a red skinny one. Here I have -3, which means 3 of the little red units. And then over here I have 2x squared, which means I just have 2 of the x squared tiles. Sorry. So I have x squared, and I have another one. So now, just like last time, I can take out my 0 pairs. So if I have a positive unit and a negative unit, those are 0 pairs, so I can cancel the negative and the positive. Same thing over here. I have another -1 and a positive 1, so those cancel out. And then here I have a positive x and a negative x. That's also 0, so this guy can go away, and this guy can go away. Okay, so now I'm just going to count up what I have left over. So I usually go biggest to smallest, so I have 2 of the x squared tiles, so I write 2x squared. I have 2 of the x tiles, so that's plus 2x. And then here I have a -1, so I'm going to write plus -1. Or if you want, you can write it as 2x squared plus 2x minus 1. These both mean the same thing because they both mean that you have 1 negative unit.